Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing Arsonal, so yeah, let's go right into it.
Get out there and win
First
the game.
one. No! That dude, like, actually, dude, you should learn how to look behind yourself.
Ooh, right in the dome.
Ooh,
So
right
my
in
head
the
isn't as big
dome.
as that, guys.
There's no way. There's no way I didn't get a hit. Yeah.
I'm so glad my head isn't as big as that, guys.
Guys. We can talk about this. Okay? Yeah, I got. Just learn how to not be dumb, bro. Just learn how to not be dumb. Like, actually, bro. Just learn how to not be dumb. Long range gun. Ha! I got the dude that would always kill me. Let's go. It depends on what gun it is. This is just too easy. Not too easy. It's not like I don't see you. When you turn a corner, always need to have your gun out. Heartless. I hate you, Heartless, man. That's how bad they are. No! He has one left. No! No, there's no way. There's no way, dude. Oh, 33 kills. I mean, 23 kills. That's very good. That's very, very good. Agency. Concussion Mania. Oh my god! Of course no Concussion Mania.
Good luck out
First
there.
one.
I believe in you.
No, you don't believe me. No! Oh no. Yes, that. 5 kills. 4th place. Concussion menu. Concussion menu. Concussion menu. Bro, I swear, if nobody picks concussion menu, I'm just gonna leave. No. No, this can't be happening. Yeah, there's just... Flamethrower. I just hit the hole! I just had that guy! I just had the guy, mate! And you just scared me like that! I just had the guy! I just had the guy! That's a cool real. Get out! What? There's no one. But I got the credit.
Bonus ducks.
Who's that voice? No! Where's the fight? Where's the fight?
Headshot. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn my voice changer off.
Every time I get a headshot, it's gonna say, oh, sorry. I forgot to put my voice changer off. No! You really thought that I would just go away? Huh? Huh? You really thought that? Huh?
Yeah, that guy doesn't have a head anymore.
See that guy that just killed me? I'm gonna kill him back. And what I have is acid, right? And you don't wanna mess with acid. Trust me. I've messed with acid before. And that's what made me mad. 21.
I'm so glad my head isn't as big as that guy's.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Who's here? Who's here? No! Do, 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 do.
I'm having a cup of coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Because I'm having a cup of coffee. Anybody?
Okay, Railgun. Dust storm! Dust storm! Dust storm! Dust!
Anybody?
Please, dust storm. Dust storm. Oh my God.
Good luck out there. I believe in you.
He doesn't believe in me, guys. He doesn't believe in me. He just said that. Hiya! 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 The blues are here. The blues are here. Why isn't it working? Maybe that'll work. Oh, sorry, man. It's just too late for you. No, no, no! I have only 2 kills and somebody already has 8. No! This is why you always die. When you're in the open like this, always. No, 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 no! People are. You know what? I'm just gonna go this way. Bro, get dirty. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Why you? Bro. Concussion menu. Please, concussion. Of course I'll need to pick concussion menu. Of course I need to pick concussion. Wait. But, okay guys, I think we have to put this video into an end. So yeah, bye guys.